Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. And today's video I'm going to show you how to set profile video on Threads. That actually sounds weird, right? Alright, so let's try it. Let's go into our Threads app, let's launch it, and let's find out. So once you tap on Threads, where you can set a profile video on. So I just want to go to your profile. So on our profile, we can do that. Right here, what you're going to do is to go into Edit Profile. Alright, and as you can see, I can tap on here and it will allow me to add a profile picture or a video. Alright, so once I tap on it, there are two options. Either you can take a new, or you can set a new profile picture, and you can import from Instagram. So let's go into the new profile picture. So right here, as you can see, there are no videos available to set on my profile picture. All right, so let's try the photo, I mean the camera, and let's see if I can record a video. So once I go into the photo section right here, I will tap and hold this circle. So all right, I will do that right now. So, as you can see, there is nothing recorded. So, if I tap, yeah, it's only the photos are available. Alright? So, as you can see, it's impossible to set a profile video on Threads. So, the solution, and the only solution, is to set a photo on your profile or on Threads, and after that, done, and then done, and yeah. So this is how to set profile video on Threads, and thank you so much for watching.